I make a small and easy moss pole. This is what you will need. Measure plastic to 10 centimeters. Cut the plastic to size. If you are following this tutorial, make sure to save it to your favorites so you can come back at any point. Map out where the holes will be. I make a 3.5 cm gap between. Measure the plastic mesh to 8 centimeters wide. Add zip ties. Tight on one side, loose on the other. Add plant food to water, then add sphagnum moss. Let moss soak up the water, then squeeze out the excess, and then fluff the moss up. Make sure not to pack the moss too tightly. By leaving one side loose makes packing the moss easier. Now do up the loose side and cut off the ends. I love that these can be stackable for when the plant outgrows the small pole. I've made a separate video on how I fix the pole to the pot for extra support. If you found this helpful, please share to your plant friends and follow for more.